Good morning, everybody. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn a new grammar lesson. Let's start. Unit number 22 Prepositions. Open your book, page number 116. The title of our unit is Prepositions. Let's read this conversation. Okay, walk slowly along the bridge. Now stop. Look at me. Good. Now walk towards me. Watch out, Dax, behind you. Oh no! The camera fell right into the wall. Sorry, you genius. Don't worry about the camera. Dax, are you okay? We are going to talk about prepositions. We have many kinds of prepositions. Let's start with prepositions of time. We use prepositions of time to talk about when something happens. We have three prepositions of time: in, on, at. We use in with years. We say in 2020. And we use in with seasons. We say in the summer. We use in with month. We say in March. And we use in with part of the days. We say in the morning or in the afternoon. But we use on with days of the week. We say on Monday, and we use on with dates. We say on 11th November. And we can use on to refer to part of a specific day. We say on Tuesday morning. When we use at, we use at for the time. We say at 3 o'clock. And we can say at 10 past 7. And we can use at with the following expressions: at night, at noon, at midday, at midnight, at Easter, at Christmas, at the weekend. Okay, we have an exercise on this page. Let's answer it together. Exercise number 1. Complete. Use in, on, or at. Number 1 is answered. Let's read it. We're going to a party at my aunt's house on New Year's Eve. Okay, number 2. The boys are at the sports center. They will be back at noon. Okay, I am going to stop before saying the answer to give you a chance to answer it before me. Number 3. Beautiful flowers start growing in the spring. Number 4. Does he always go out with his friends on Saturdays? Number 5. I started windsurfing in 2006. Okay, you are going to complete this exercise as a homework. You can complete it and send the answers for me. Let's go to exercise number 2. Read and complete. Use in, on, or at. Thursday, 3rd July. The school holidays are here. We had our last exam on Wednesday morning, and now we're free. On Friday, Pen, Gemma, and I went out to celebrate. We went to the cinema in the afternoon. The film was brilliant. And then, in the evening, we went to Burger Palace. Pen and I got the bus home at 10 o'clock. I had a great time. That's enough. You complete the exercise as a homework. Let's go to the next page. We are going to talk about the prepositions of place. We use prepositions of place to talk about where someone or something is located. Here are some prepositions of place: in, on, under, in front of, behind, between, among, next to, near, opposite, at. Okay, let's read the examples. The students are in the classroom. The book is on the desk. The ball is under the table. I am standing in front of the door. The boy is behind the tree. The bank is between the post office and the school. The thief hid among the bushes. Tom sits next to Jerry at school. Our house is near the school. There is a shoe shop opposite the bank. I'll wait for you at the station. As you can see, we use the specific prepositions of place in the following expressions. We use in. We can say in bed, in hospital, in prison, in an armchair, in West Street. And we can use on. We say on the left, on the right, on the first floor, on the second floor, on a chair. At, we say at home, at school, at work, at college, at university, at 2 West Street. Be careful, we say in West Street, but at 2 West Street. Okay, now let's answer exercise number 3. Look and complete. As usual, number 1 is answered. The CDs are on the desk. Number 2. The shoes are under the bed. Number 3. The ball is in front of the CD player. Number 4. The skateboard is behind the door. Okay, you complete the exercise as a homework. Let's turn the page. Exercise number 4. Complete use in, on, or at. Samia's house is in Church Street. Number 2. Is Mike still at work? Number 3. The post office is on your right. Number 4. Grandma is asleep in the armchair. Okay, complete the rest of the exercise as a homework. Let's turn the page. Now we are going to talk about the prepositions of movement. We use prepositions of movement to express motion and to talk about which direction someone or something is moving towards. Here are some prepositions of movement: into, out of, up, down, along, across, from, to, over. Let's read the examples. Into. The dog ran into the room. Out of. They came out of the cinema when the film finished. Up. We climbed up the stairs. Down. The children ran down the stairs. Along. My father drove the car slowly along the street. Across. We walked across the road. From. They came here from the north of the country. 2. How do you go to school? Over. Can you jump over the fence? Okay. Let's answer exercise number 5. Circle the correct answer. Number 1 is answered. Let's go for a walk along the river. Okay. Number 2. How are you going to get to work tomorrow? Number 3. The police officer hurried into the room. Number 4. I can climb up that ladder. Okay. You can complete the rest of the exercise as a homework. Let's turn the page. Another exercise number 6, complete use the words in the box. Number 1 is answered. She came out of the supermarket carrying 2 heavy bags. Number 2. They began walking up the hill at 2 and reached the top at 3. Number 3. The dog jumped over the wall. Okay, complete the exercise as a homework. Let's continue. Now we are going to talk about the prepositions after verbs. Some verbs are followed by specific prepositions. For example, ask somebody for or ask somebody about something. For example, we say, ask Tom for help. I ask Tom for help. And we can say, the teacher asked me about the homework. Belong to, come from, go to, know about, laugh at, listen to, look at, pay for, send something to someone or somebody. We can say, I send a message to my teacher. Succeed in, talk about something. For example, we say we talk about prepositions. Talk to somebody. For example, I talk to the teacher. Tell somebody about something. For example, the teacher told the students about the new virus. Thank somebody for something. For example, I thanked my father for the present. Think about, wait for, worry about, write about somebody or something. Write to somebody. Please listen to me. I wrote to my friends yesterday. Okay, now let's turn the page. Match. That big house belongs to a famous footballer. Number 2. I am afraid I don't know much D. About computers. Okay, number 3. I'll pay C. For the meal. Number 4. Holly comes E. From a small village in Scotland. Number 5. He sent that email B. To all his friends. Number 6. I know he will succeed A. In his new job. Okay, let's turn the page. Exercise number 8. Read and complete. Use one word in each space. You're not listening to me. What? Oh, I am sorry. I was thinking about something. What's the matter? Are you okay? Well, no, I am not. You see, I don't want to go to my school. I won't have any friends. I'll be all alone and everyone will laugh at me. No, they won't. Don't worry about that. Okay, you can answer the rest of the exercise as a homework. Let's go to exercise number 9. Circle the correct answer. Kate lives near the school, so she doesn't take the bus. Number 2. Their plane leaves midnight. At midnight, so the answer is at. Number 3. What time do you get up? The morning. Yes, the answer is in the morning. Okay, that's enough. Complete the exercise. Let's go to exercise number 10. Read and circle the correct answer. Number 1. On Christmas Day, Chrissy got up early. It was 7 o'clock. The morning. Yes, in the morning. It was cold, so she put on her thick socks and a sweater. She walked the stairs. She walked the stairs. Yes, down the stairs and went quickly. The living room. Yes, into the living room. And there it was, a beautiful Christmas tree, covered in silver decorations and lights. Chrissy looked the tree for a few minutes. Yes, number 5 is at. Looked at the tree for a few minutes. Okay, complete the rest of the exercise as a homework. Let's go to exercise number 11. Write a diary entry. Use these ideas. You can also look at exercise number 2 for help. Start with today's date. Write about your activities in the last few days. Write about today. Write about your plans for the next few days. Exercise number 12. Let's talk. Work with a partner at home. Ask and answer. What do you usually talk about with your friends? What kind of music do you listen to when you're alone? What do you sometimes worry about? When do you usually go out with your friends? What do you usually do at the weekend? When do you usually go on holiday? Okay. Thank you for your listening. I hope you got useful information today. See you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.